In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple signature on Docusign. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time, providing you with a simple way to manage your electronic documents more effectively. First, you'll want to head over to Docusign's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Docusign is widely recognized as the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and once you are on their homepage, you'll have access to a powerful suite of tools designed to make signing documents online as easy and secure as possible. Once you are on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically situated conveniently at the top right corner of the page. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to take a moment to sign up, otherwise enter your credentials and proceed to log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the features Docusign offers. To continue, locate and click on your profile icon. The profile section will allow you to manage your account settings as well as your signatures. Next, click on Manage Profile. By doing so, you will be directed to a new page where you can adjust all the intricate details related to your profile. It's a useful feature for tailoring your account to meet your specific needs. Now find the Signatures option. Clicking on Signatures will redirect you to a section specifically dedicated to the signatures associated with your account. This is where you can view, edit, and add new signatures, helping you maintain control over how you sign each document. After you've navigated to the Signatures section, you'll see an option to Add Signature. Click on Add Signature. This part is crucial as it allows you to create and customize your signature, which will be used to sign digital documents quickly and securely. Upon clicking Add Signature, you'll be prompted with several choices. Here, click on Choose. This step allows you to select from various pre-made signature styles or create a unique one tailored to your preferences. Take a moment to explore these options. By personalizing your signature, you ensure it reflects your individuality while maintaining a professional appearance. With these steps complete, you've successfully added a simple signature to your Docusign account, making your digital signing process seamless and efficient. Whether you're signing agreements, contracts, or any other important documents, having your signature set up in Docusign makes transactions and workflows smoother than ever. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more of our videos if you're interested in mastering other powerful features of Docusign.